Here we have a 1979 Ford Thunderbird T-top with a lot of nice options. I'm going to start with the interior of this car. First of all, we got T-top here, which is a nice option. But what really makes the car is the bucket seats and our floor shifter. And these seats are really nice. They're really from the 70s. And of course, we got our center console and floor shifter. That's not an option that you see very often. And it's combined with the gauge package. When you buy one of these, everybody wants the gauge package. It's a nice package. Another thing, we have a power antenna down here. Mine's not working at the time, but it's unique. You can see that power antenna. And we have an AM FM cassette, 8-track, and I got that stuck in there, that 8-track player, converted to a cassette. One thing that's really nice is my right-hand mirrors right here. So from right here, I can control that mirror. And not only that, it was done in 1979. That's pretty cool. We have all of our normal stuff here. The car has 102 miles on it. So that's pretty much for the interior. Now we have cruise control, and we also have a rear window in the fogger. It's controlled right here. I don't know if that's very common. Power windows, like I said, I think most of them had that, but I'm not sure. So the interior on this is pretty nice. Here's a better shot of the interior. This is really brainy white stuff here. And while we're out here, I'll show you the T-tops. I really have never seen a Thunderbird decked out with so many options. Okay, we got the turbine rims on there, and those are my favorite rims. I think it came with a different set, but these are the ones I like. Here's the front of our Thunderbird, and you can see it has hideaway headlights, and it has a pretty huge bumper there. It's no chrome. You can take a look at the rear window defroster. I don't think I've ever seen that as an option in these big Thunderbirds. I do believe in 1979, the 302 two-barrel was your top motor, which is kind of good because I think it's better than the modifieds, 351 modifieds. So it's a very good motor for this car. You see all the air conditioning stuff. Looks like the valve cover might have been painted. No, I'm not sure. These cars are a little bit more complicated than the cars from the 60s. You know, we have a brain down here that sometimes they go mad and your car doesn't run. But there's the motor to our Big Bird. Another nice option is the power seat. Back and forth, up and down. And I don't see that very often either. It makes this Thunderbird kind of special. And we can see it has a 6,000 RPM tach. Okay, here we are in the trunk. And these, I believe you put your your T-tops in. Those are the covers for the car. I believe this is an original hubcap for this car. I was really too big on them. It's got the cover for the spare wheel. Yeah, it could be brand new. So, there you have our trunk area. Of course, taillights. Here's our power window. I'm sorry, our power antenna. Mine doesn't work, but this appears as an option, but in '79 it came back. Well, there's our final look. Our 1979 Ford Thunderbird with bucket seats, floor shifter, gauge package, power seat, 302 two-barrel air conditioning, cruise control, rear window defroster, probably many more options I just can't remember. But it's a very unique vehicle, mainly because of the power seat, floor shifter, console, and the gauge package, all kind of wrapped up in one here, along with the T-tops. Very combination, very hard to find.